In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Lesson 13 Explore quiz. Specifically, we're going to be looking at 3 different questions. So let's open it up here. So we've got 3 questions to fix. We're going to replace both of the short answer questions, and we're going to fix a setting in this ordered question. I'm only going to show you how to fix one of the short answer, or how to replace one of the short answer questions, I think, because it's really not necessary that I show you how to do both of them, because once you know how to do one, you know how to do the other one. So first things first, let's go ahead and fix the let's go ahead and fix the ordered question. So the problem with this one is that this setting right minus wrong is checked, and it needs to be equally weighted in order to perform like it's supposed to. That's a pretty quick fix for that one. So I'll click Save here. And then I'm going to replace, I'll go ahead and replace the top one. You can replace the other one based on what we learn here. This one's worth 2 points and this one's worth 3 points. I guess you might take that into account. I need to grab the question text from this one first. So I'll go ahead and do that. Cancel. Then I'm going to create a new question, and I'm going to want it to be a multi-short answer question. I want it to be worth 2 points. My question text goes in here. In your version, I don't believe it says in 30 words or more, so you're going to need to add that so that a student knows how many words they're supposed to put in for this, because it's going to base their grade based on the number of words they put in. So if you haven't already changed that, go ahead and do that. Input boxes, you just want 1. And then down here below, there's 3 of these that exist, and I'm going to need 7, so I need to add 4 more. And the reason I need to have 7 is so that I can put these different regular expressions in the boxes, so that a student can be given partial credit based on the number of words they put in. So go ahead and add my 4 boxes to the 3, which gives me 7. Okay, and now I'm going to start copying and pasting this code here into those boxes, and you'll see what that looks like. This one gives me 100% of the gives the student 100% of the points. Okay. You also need to change over here on the right hand side all of these to say that they're regular expression. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back over this and check it one more time to make sure I've got all the settings correct. Okay, and then I'm going to click Save. It's going to give me kind of this, almost kind of like an error question, but you're just going to answer yes. And so this question here replaces this question here. So I'm actually going to delete this question. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing for this other question. Make sure again that you get in the 30 words or more portion to the beginning of this. I don't think that it says that in the course that you probably have, but students need to know how many words they're supposed to be inputting. So once you know how to create one regular expression question, then you pretty much know how to do them all. So the other video that I'm creating here for the week 4 Explore quiz for fixing that one is much the same as the instructions that I just gave for fixing this, this partial credit question. Good luck.